boys were singing. I was on my way back to the North Pole after a very busy night of delivering presents. And when I got home, I relaxed by the fire with Mrs. Claus.
The very same woman who had given me the echo harmonica.
It was a lovely Christmas, wasn't it, Santa? Alvin played so beautifully. And little Tommy.
Darling, you've made a little chipmunk very, very happy. And isn't that what the spirit of Christmas is all about?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Santa, I was wondering, is it better to send you a Christmas list early? Like first come, first serve?
Good night, Alvin.
Or later, so that it's still fresh in your mind?
Good night, Alvin.
Is a longer list better, so I'm sure to get some of them? Or do you take a shorter list more seriously?
Good night, Alvin.
Let's say I ask for one big expensive gift.
Alvin.
What's the most expensive present you've ever given?